Guys, I hope you're well and having a lovely day. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I've done a H&M haul, but I have focused it around the festive season. I am so excited for this season. It's just a lot of fun. So I've done a little bit of a mixture when it comes to styles, versatility and occasions. We're going to start off with knitwear because I'm in one of the first pieces of knitwear that I picked out, and I am completely obsessed with this gorgeous fluffy oversized feel. This is their gorgeous mohair jumper and it comes in a couple of colours, and I did pick it up in another colour, but what I really love about it is it's this really beautiful fluffy texture. It is so cozy and I feel like it just really elevates wearing a jumper. It just looks so pretty, and as you can see I've just popped on a brooch just to make it a little bit more elevated and a bit more statement, so it doesn't look like just a casual jumper. I've elevated it so I could wear it for the evening or occasion. I've paired it with a pair of white trousers and some heels. I did this recently with a dark grey jumper, which I have in this haul as well, which I wanted to share with you, and I feel like this is such a lovely Christmas Day look. I feel wearing an all-tonal outfit makes me feel really put together and looks really luxurious, but you are still comfy and you look the part at the same time. So like I said, I picked this up in grey as well, and it's this really gorgeous dark navy grey. It's so stunning. I really love these jumpers. I feel like I have already got so much wear out of them for during the day and the evening. Like I said, I've been pairing both of these with some really nice trousers. These trousers are from Morella, but I will leave a similar pair down below. They just really make the jumpers stand out a little bit more in comparison to wearing it with maybe darker colours or a pair of jeans. The white trousers just make it a bit more of a statement outfit, and I really enjoy wearing them with a brooch and some really fun court heels. I have some gorgeous silver metallic heels that I adore, but yeah, I just wanted to give these a shout out because I think these are so cozy. I picked these both up in a small, so a size bigger than my usual size, and I feel like they're a nice oversized boxy fit. So during the day as well, you can wear these with like a nice white t-shirt underneath with some denim jeans and some loafers. I think that also looks really lovely. They're just really lovely pieces, and again, like I said, they just look a lot more luxurious because of the really gorgeous fluffy mohair detail. They are mohair, so if you are sensitive to some knitwear, just bear that in mind, but this is actually quite soft. I usually struggle with different types of wools and hairs used. However, I actually find these really comfortable and they're just so snug. But you could also wear like a long sleeve thermal top underneath just to have like a little separation between your skin and the knitwear. But I just love these. I think these are so beautiful. I think these would also look really lovely as well with a pair of shorts and some tights, or a really nice maxi skirt and some heeled boots. I think that would look very chic. Following on from saying about a skirt, I wanted to show you this satin skirt I picked up, which I paired with this jumper. This is from Arcare, and if you didn't know, H&M have upgraded their website. You are now able to shop COS and Other Stories, Weekday, Monkey, all the brands that are under the H&M house name are now available on H&M, which I find so amazing, because if there is a product that you can't find maybe on Arcare, it might still be available in H&M, which is really good. So I picked up this silk Arcare skirt. It comes in so many different colours. I did see they have a really beautiful burgundy colour, but I picked up the cream because I feel like a neutral you just cannot go wrong with, and I think it's very universal, and I think a lot of people would agree it's just one of those staple pieces you do need in your wardrobe throughout the entirety of the year. So I thought I'd actually pair it with this jumper to make a really nice neutral look, paired with some heels or some boots. I think this would look really pretty, super comfortable as well, and just very chic. I really like the scatter detail of the skirt at the bottom as well. The quality is beautiful, and also as well it is a stretchy waistband, which I think at Christmas time I think we all need. So I'm moving swiftly on from the cozy casual jumpers to a really gorgeous statement dress. Now there is a couple of statement pieces in this haul, but I think these are really lovely forever pieces. There's not actually that many sequins. I think there's only one sequin item, But I really wanted to look at pieces which I think are timeless, and in regards to that I mean the colours and the textures, and something that I think is just going to last really well in your wardrobe. So the first piece I picked up was this dress. I just think this is just such an incredible outfit. As well, you could definitely wear this in the summer as well. It is so beautiful. It's a really cheeky, fun, sexy little black mini dress with this crazy towel texture. This is just incredible, and I just pictured me wearing this on New Year's Eve. A really fun little black dress, also super affordable as well. But also as well, you're going to see this time and time again in your wardrobe if you've got some really fun, lovely evenings coming up in the new year as well. This would also be a really lovely wedding guest outfit. Also Halloween, like it's just one of those pieces that you are just going to see so much wear out of for some really fun occasions, and you just cannot go wrong when it comes to a black dress, because you're just going to see yourself wearing it again and again. When it comes to those more extravagant items, I think this is such a good nod to that really crazy outfit you just randomly have in your wardrobe, because it just goes with everything. It's super comfortable, it looks super chic and just super elegant. I just think this is really fun, and again, like I said, it's just a little black dress you just cannot go wrong with. I think it did come in other colours. I got it in my true to size, and I'd say it's a really good fit. It is a little bit too long on me, so I would maybe look at getting it altered. But I wore this with some really lovely black stilettos, black bag, and I just thought this was just so beautiful. So following on from a very eccentric black little dress, I had to show you this beautiful corset because she is just giving present vibes. It comes in black, white, and also does come in a dress version as well, but I picked up the red corset top, and it is so beautiful and something that is definitely not in my wardrobe. This is so beautiful, and the quality of it is just incredible. So it's this really extravagant ribbon styled corset. As you can see, it's one sleeve. There's a really nice like rubber lining around the top to support you and hold you in. It is stunning, and I wore it just with a pair of black leather trousers just to make it a little bit more toned down, and I absolutely adored it. Now red is definitely not my chosen colour of choice, however, because it is Christmas, I thought this was absolutely beautiful. I could also see in the summer wearing this with some white trousers. I think that would look really lovely. Like I said, it does come in white and black, but I did pick up in the red because I just thought the red was really fun. Like I said, I paired it with a black pair of leather trousers, some court heels, and I would then put a blazer over my shoulders. It's just a really fun piece, and yeah, I think it's just such a striking top, super comfortable as well. You could wear it Christmas Day, for work parties, New Year's Eve with a red lip. I think that would just be so beautiful, and just felt amazing in it. It's super flattering, and like at the back you can probably see the body a little bit more. It's really structured and really fitting. So beautiful. I got it in my true to size, and it was a little bit tight getting on, but once you're in, and it is really comfortable. Now the next one is an incredible by Molina dupe. I literally ran when I saw this. By Molina is a beautiful kind of quiet luxury fashion brand, and they create the most beautiful blouses and swimwear and beachwear, also some knitwear as well. They do have some of the most beautiful pieces, and one of the pieces that I think they are so famous for is a top which kind of looks similar to this. I will leave a couple of pictures on screen. It is stunning, and I've had my eye on it for such a long time, but they are around the £300 mark. However, it is so beautiful, and it is in the most gorgeous fabric and colours, and I would love one day to get my hands on it. I've seen people wear it on its own, but also as well with like a really lovely long sleeve top underneath, and it is just such a beautiful blouse. It's really fun. However, I came across a similar dupe version on H&M, and it's in this really nice textured material in black, and I just think she is so chic. I do love this very much. It's very sweet. It's just one of those easy outfits to wear on Christmas Day or for New Year's Eve with a pair of boots and some little skinny jeans. It is so sweet, and I've paired it with some really lovely accessories, as you can see. So I paired it with some really lovely bow detail accessories, which are also available on H&M. I picked up this really sweet satin black bow, which is for the hair, super easy to put on. What what I would recommend is just putting your hair up with a normal bow or clip and then just adding this after. It's just such a lovely piece to have in your wardrobe. It's timeless, it's such an affordable investment, and you're going to see so much wear out of it with like half hair up and down. It's just so sweet, and I think it's such a lovely winter accessory. And then continuing on from the bow, I picked up a pair of flat, kind of sling back ballet flats from H&M, and they're in this really nice satin cotton. They are so beautiful, really comfortable as well, and I felt like these were quite lovely for those days when your outfit does all the talking, but you do want to finish your outfits off with some really nice smart shoes. I thought these would be super comfortable as they're flat, but they still give a really lovely finish to an outfit. I love the bows. I think they are so sweet, and you can wear them during the day and at night time. Just a little bit more comfier than putting on a pair of heels. But yeah, I had to pick these up because when I saw them, I just thought they were the cutest thing. You cannot go wrong with a black blazer, and I picked up this really gorgeous blazer from H&M. I really adore the mixture of materials. I love this satin collar. I just think it really elevates the blazer. I went for my normal size, however I definitely think it's a little bit too small for my liking. I definitely would have got a size up just to give it that cool oversized look, but it does come with a pair of matching trousers, which I'll leave down below. But yeah, I really adore these satin characteristics. Just think it's a really lovely piece. You can wear it on its own with some jeans and a belt. I think that would look really sexy, but it's just a really good outerwear piece to have in your wardrobe. It is sadly very cold outside, and it's when we decide to wear the most loveliest extravagant evening outfits. It's so chilly, so this is such a good smart outerwear piece to have in your wardrobe just to layer up and finish off those festive outfits. So I did mention sequins, and I thought I would share this with you. It is a very mini sequin skirt, but I think this is a really good way to invest into sequins if you are wanting to look into investing into sequins, because it's a piece you can wear during the day with jumpers and then at night time with a little top. I just think this is very fun, and like I said, you can wear it during the day and at night time. Definitely pair this with a really nice cream jumper and some tights, and I think that would look really pretty. But then, like I said, a really nice evening blouse or slinky little body would look really cute. It is a little bit on the short side, I would say that, so just be wise about that if you are not really into short skirts. But this is so fun and so sexy, and I just thought it was really comfortable and just like an easy kind of subtle way of nodding into the fun sequins. But I paired it with an all black outfit like you see, with a really nice body and blazer and some court heels, and you're good to go. So pretty much everything would be in your wardrobe: a black oversized blazer, a black little top, and then you just add this little skirt and you've got yourself a festive outfit. So this could also be a really easy way to turn a work day outfit into a festive one. So you could either wear this with some tights and a jumper, or you could wear some jeans, a little body and a black blazer, and then just take the jeans off and put a little skirt on with some heels, and you've got yourself an after work festive outfit. I think it's always the pieces which I last minute come across which I think are the stars of the show. I found this really beautiful tall off the shoulder, really affordable blouse, which I think you are going to see so much wear out of in this season, but also I can see myself wearing this in the summer, in spring. It's just such a handy piece to have in your wardrobe. It's a little bit see-through, I must say that, so you can see my bra in it, and I don't actually have a good bra to suit the outfit, so I'm on the hunt for maybe just like a bandeau or like an off-the-shoulder top, or you could probably get those like stickers you put on your boobs to hide your nipples. But it's a really beautiful top and it really holds yourself in. I just love the details. I've paired it with actually some brown trousers just to change it up a little bit, and I really liked this nude festive outfit. I usually go for quite like dark colours when it comes to festive parties, but this just felt so refreshing, and I think this white is just so beautiful. You could definitely pair it with some white trousers as well, or black trousers. But yeah, I just thought this was such a handy piece to have in your wardrobe. Really pretty, really comfortable as well. And again, you're going to see so much wear out of it, not only for this season, but all the seasons to come, on holiday. It's just a very good piece, and I'm very happy that I came across it. Now, this wouldn't be a festive haul unless I did have a pair of festive pajamas. I came across this gorgeous pair of satin red, dark red. They're coming up very bright on camera. They're a little bit darker in real life, but they have a really gorgeous pink pinstripe running down them, and they are the most cutest pajamas ever. I absolutely adore them. They are super comfortable as well. I am definitely keeping these. I picked these up in an extra small, and I'd say they're a really good comfortable size. They're not too tight around the waist, and I just love them. I think they're the most cutest festive Christmas pajamas ever. I love the fit of them, and they're just really fun. If you are on the hunt for you and your friends or your family to have matching pajamas, I would definitely go and grab these. These are so cute, and I just think they are the sweetest little pajamas ever. They are so fun. I absolutely adore them, and I just love the pink and the red. I think that's really fun. They're not in your face with the festive prints either. They're just very chic and elegant. So that is the end of my festive H&M haul. I hope you enjoyed this. I was trying to make it as short and sweet as possible because I don't want to bombard you with loads of outfits or hauls, but when it comes to the festive season and styling, I thought it'd be quite an easy way to do this within a H&M haul. Everything will be linked down below as well. If you have any further questions when it comes to the products or some styling, please come and message me over on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really supports my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.